Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone or iPad stuck on preparing update. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix that issue. So guys, let's get started. So guys, first solution is delete the update files on your iPhone. For the delete, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. So guys, here is the here find the update file here. So find the update file here and delete the update. And so guys, after deleting update in the storage, so solution 2 is force quit the settings app. So quit the settings app and check for the next solution is check for free storage. So guys, check for storage. If your storage is full, your update will cannot update to the latest version and stuck on the preparing update. So guys, free up some storage on your iPhone. So after freeing storage, so guys, next method is restart your device. So for the restart, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right. So after restarting your iPhone, enter your passcode to unlock. The next method is wait for a while charging. So guys, charge your iPhone up to 15%. So guys, the last method is check your network connection status. So guys, check your internet if the internet is working or not. So my internet is good. So guys, here are the some solution here are the some simple solution to fix your iPhone or iPad stuck on preparing update issue. So guys, it will 100% fix your issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.